Okay, we are at Obu Abala Nakano Isi Nri Museum today, and we have our sister Amanda Okoye, who is joining us from London. Amanda is a historian, so she's come to see what the Enugwu Ukwu are doing, and then also to share some of our ideas. I have the culture minister here, Okwatu. So if an idea do that, I Kaima experience I then I couldn't know. I couldn't even give that on you. I couldn't know. Professor Nyogo, I couldn't really buy. Okay, Amanda. Okay, you've been here. You've undertaken a tour of the museum. What's your first impression?
I think first it's a great thing that we've started this, and the space is fantastic. I have so much plans for this place.
Okay.
It's going to be a place of learning, a place of reacquainting yourself back with the culture.
Yes.
It's going to be, I see a tourist site.
Tourist site, yes.
Where people will always come back to. Like a Mecca, to learn more about who we are. Okay.
Now, from your experience, Indian Enugwu living in London, in America, and all over the world, how do you think we can use this center, this museum, more like to try to draw them back? So what kind of objects, artifacts, what kind of things do you think we should put here in the museum, that will be of interest to them?
Okay, it's going to be very virtual too. It's going to be interactive, but it's going to be virtual.
Yes.
The fact that a lot of us are not coming home is a sad thing. But if we're not going home, we're not coming back home, we'll take it to them.
Okay.
So we have asked them, we use mobile phones, we use smartphones.
So you're suggesting we try to make the museum virtual, right?
It has to be virtual.
So that somebody living in Virginia, in New York, in London can just get into the site or an app and then explore what we have here.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
And all the themes change on a monthly basis, bi-monthly basis.
Yes.
So what they thought, a lot of people have left Nigeria like 20, 30 years ago.
Yes.
And they probably think it's the Nigeria
of the 70s. So things are different now.
And somehow the memories are not always positive after the war.
Yes.
But what we're trying to show them here is that we have a beautiful culture that we need to maintain. We have so much to be proud of.
On a final note, I want you to greet the Enugwu Ukwu in our language. So greet them in Igbo language, in Enugwu language. Say Enugwu ekene munu.
Enugwu ekene munu.
Okay. Ibai, una fugonia. Okwatu egwu na ndị ọrụ ya na culture ministry Enugwu. Ma ndị ọzọ na-enye aka. Omeyifa. Ọchịkọta igwefa. Cabinet niile ma ndị nze ma ndị ọzọ. Ọ ka Enugwu Ukwu esi na-aga n'ihu. So I important that we great plans for this place. So no one ga-etinye aka kwado ife a na-eme. Onwe Odenigwu, onwe nke unu nwere okpukpe unu ewefute donate to the museum. All the stage anọzi kịta a na-emezi appeal to families, to villages. Onwe ife unu nwere artifacts, ife ndị gboo, ọwụgo dị Odenigwu, ọwụrụ obesi, ọwụrụ foto, ife ọbụla nwere history kala aka ọwụ ngwa agịrịga. When can nna unu wadowecha wezi funu jeme unu donate to museum unu kokwa ya ibabulu abia ga record we den ndi nwenu den ndi donate o ka esi eme n'obodo Igbo ije Smithsonian Museum ma ije London Museum o ife ndị mmadụ donate si so na anya ma alụsụ na unu egolo oge so kita anyị na-emezi appeal ndị mmadụ kwatawazi ngwongwo adojo na museum daalụ na uche nwere ezudo na-ekene
ezudo na Enugwu ezudo
ogwatu
daalụ abagụ nkwọ dị n'akwụkwọ abadị n'ibe a na-eme akụrie nne daalụ